Jelly? Jelly? Jelly, come here. Come on. I think he's a little afraid of you, but he wants to know you.